Check if any of the list of keys are present in a dictionary. I have a fixed list of strings. I need to check if any of these strings are a key in the dictionary. Just need true or false. I could go, but it seems suboptimal. Is there a more idiomatic way of doing this? You could use any and iterate over each key you want to check. This will short circuit and return true upon finding the first match, or will return false if it finds none.
You could also use AND. You would need d.view keys for -2. Alternatively, make keys a set and see if the set is disjoint or not, which will be the fastest approach.
You could try using list comprehension in Python. Edit. Corey Kramer suggested to remove the in order to make this a generator, rather than evaluate the entire list before checking if any elements are true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.